Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As many of you have asked me for a snacks recipe, here is one. Today we are going to make a quick crispy egg pakora recipe. It takes very less time to prepare. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Now let's get started. For this recipe we need 2 boiled eggs. I have already boiled them for 15 minutes in water. Peel the shell off and keep them aside. In this recipe, I am going to have 2 batters, so as the process goes on, I'll tell you why. Our first batter is very simple. You just have to mix 5 teaspoons of water, a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of chili powder into the gram flour. I have 2 teaspoons of gram flour here. Mix it in a small bowl and keep it aside. As we know, egg surface is slippery. First we will deep fry the eggs with a simple single coat and then go with the main batter. Now for the main batter, we need 2 tablespoons of rice flour, in that we'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 5 chopped curry leaves, half teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, finely chopped green chilies 1 teaspoon, half onion sliced, and a pinch of Asafoetida powder to enhance the flavor as street foods. Mix it well and add 1/4 cup of gram flour and slowly combine 1 cup of water and make it a thick paste. Now let's start frying. Make few straight slits on the eggs like these. And coat it with the first batter we made. And shallow fry it in an oil with a medium flame. Fry the eggs 10 seconds on each side. After frying, remove the eggs and coat it with the second main batter nicely and repeat the process. Fry each side for at least 10 to 15 seconds till it gets crispy. After frying, repeat the process once more to get a thick and crispy outer coating. If you directly do one thick batter, the inside part of the batter may not be cooked properly. So we are going to double coat the eggs. After frying, get it off in a plate and serve it with some sauce. Our egg pakoras are ready. See how easy and quickly we made them? You can also make them and snack them in the evening with your family. And don't forget to share your experience. You can also send pictures on my Instagram and Facebook. Try this recipe at home. If you enjoyed, don't forget to click the like button. See you with the next recipe. Until then, bye bye.